kids! Good morning! Welcome back to our Science Online class. So today is Wednesday. So Wednesday, let's spell Wednesday class. Wednesday, I spell Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay, so this morning class, we are going to review our last lesson about landforms, okay? To do your worksheets. So what are landforms again? So landforms are the features of the Earth. So there are three basic types of landforms. So the first one, this is mountain, and mountain is a place on Earth surface that is much higher than the land around it. Okay, so this picture class, this is a mountain, okay? Next one, it's a plateau. So plateau is a flat area higher than the land around it. Okay, so plateau looks like this. So this is a land form called plateau. Next, the third form of land is plain. Plain is a flat area on Earth's surface. So plain class, this one, this is plain where we lived, okay? So again, the three basic types of landforms are mountain, plateau, and plain, okay? So this is a mountain, this is a plateau, and this is a plain where we lived. Okay, next. All right, so let's see if you still remember what are the landforms. Okay, direction, identify what is the name of the landforms below. Okay, the first one, what do you call this, kids? This is a mountain. And the second landform is called plateau. Okay, the third, where we live, that is called plain. All right. So, again, the three basic landforms of the Earth are mountain, plateau, and plain. Okay? Now, let's answer this activity class. Okay, so name the landform, color each landform, and circle its name. Okay, so in your worksheet, in your printed worksheet, this is it, okay? So you need to watch this video so that you can identify correctly what are the names of this landform. Okay, the first one, class, what is it? What do you call this landform? This is a mountain. Yes, that is a mountain. And the next one, class, what is it? This landform is called a desert. Okay, this is a desert. Wow. A desert, class, is a landform which is very hot. Okay, only some of a plant can survive and animals can survive in this landform. This is very hot. Okay, next picture, class, that is a plateau. Okay, this is a plateau. All right, as what you see, it's a flat at the top of the land, right? But it's higher than the ground. So that is a plateau. Okay, next one, class, this is a valley. Yes, a valley, class, is surrounded by mountains, but at the center of the center of it, there is a water or a river. Okay, so that is called a valley. Next one, class, this one is a hill. All right, because you cannot say it's a forest also because there's no trees. And plain, it's not because the form of the land is a little bit high than the ground. So that is a hill. Then last one, that is an island. Yes, as what you see, there is a tree and there is a shore and there is a water. So that one is probably an island. Okay, children, so these are the landforms of the earth, the different kinds of landform of the earth. Okay, we have mountain, we have desert, we have plateau, we have valley, we have hill, and the last we have on island. So I hope you learn the different kinds of landform on the earth. All right, so last week also we talked about the usage of water. So the usage of water are cooking, drinking, bathing, cleaning, washing hand, washing the dog, washing the dishes, washing clothes, and watering the plants. The last is brushing your teeth. So we learned also how to use the water. So again, class, this is Teacher LM, and I hope you have a great Wednesday. Goodbye and see you this afternoon.